Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California, and today, of course, is Thursday show and tell time, and it's April 30th, 2020, and let's say bye to April because today's the last day, and let's see what kind of goodies we find in this unboxing, and of course, let's check out this cool case. Let's see what's inside, guys. Let's check it out. Let me see. Anything good in here? Safety first. Make sure you're careful, guys, when you guys open boxes with a razor blade. It's dangerous. Let's check it out. Let me see. See what's inside. Here we have an awesome King of Crunch 1978 Ford F-250 Above and Beyond. Nice Ford. That has a Ford, but not as big as this. But his is 4x4. Right? And what else? I guess you get two of them. Well, this is Bigfoot. Two different ones, guys. This is a 1974 Ford F-250 Bigfoot number 1. That's a 1978. They almost look the same. Except for the bottom. Red and black. And the rims too. Chrome rims, white rims. Check it out. What else? This is King of Crunch 1972 Chevy C20 Big Bear. It's like Big Bear up the mountains right here in California. White rims. This is the Earthquake 1975 Ford F-250 Earthquake. Look at that awesome paint job. Cool. That one just has a bear. Alright, what else? We find in here? King of Crunch 1970 Chevy K10 USA. Let's go Legacy. Uh-oh, this one's dirty. It's a car wash. Where's Rabbit Man? Alright, check it out. King of Crunch 1996 Ford F-250 Bigfoot number 5. Whoa, look at those huge wheels. Wow. I feel like opening this one and rolling it up in front of Walmart. Wow, this is huge, guys. Look at those wheels, oh my god. Anyways, looks pretty cool. It's a 1996 Ford F-250. Right, what else do we find in here? Let's open this one up. Alright. Sometimes I do put boxes away, guys, that I don't open for a couple of years or a year. And I surprise myself sometimes. Alright, let's see. This is Greenlight Steve McQueen Bullet, a 1968 Ford Mustang GT, and a 2015 Ford F-150 enclosed car holder, which is pretty cool. I like it. Let me see when it came out. 2015, right there. So it's about 4 years old. Pretty cool history, guys. But let's see if there's a chase. You never know. This is regular. 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 And regular. No chase. Alright. Last box. That's sealed. Let's open it up. Safety first. Alright. Alright. What's inside here? That's another box in here. Let's open it up. Safety first. Thank you guys for leaving all those comments on my videos. Some are good, some are nice, some are bad, and some are like weird, but it's okay. Do not discriminate against any message. Everybody's opinion, they're all different. Not all gonna think alike. We're all human. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is my mechanics. Hey mechanics, go fix my car, okay? Did an oil change and some brakes. And check the air too. Well, what can I say? America Diorama, Mijo exclusive, 1/64 scale figure mechanics. Pretty cool. These are good, guys, because these are made out of die cast. You have to be 14 years old to play with these. So this is not for kids because they're so small and they could get swallowed. Pretty cool. Got some more, guys. Alright, let's open this old box or carrying case. This is 1966 Mattel Inc. Toy Makers. And guess what, guys? That's before they were doing red lines. Any Hot Wheels. And look, they already had like cool pictures of cars. They kind of remind me of Lesney. That's the Lesney Jeep. So maybe they're catering to Lesney. Matchbox, that is. Let's open it up. Open this in the back, hiding. Just wanted to share with you guys. Some history. Alright, so what's in here? Cool brown one. A-okay, is it A-okay? No, this is the, what is it called? The taller or something. You can't see it, it's so small and shiny. Can you read it? Totally, maybe? Well, anyways, it's pretty cool. It's nice. This is Your Basic Express Trucking Company, 1901. Pretty cool. Right here we have an older Lesney Matchbox. And it's pretty old, 1969. It says Builder Supply. Pretty cool. Here we have an old Lesney, made in England. And this is a fire pumper truck. I'm pretty sure some of you guys play with this. Right, it says Denver. Any fans from Denver? Leave your comment below if you play with this. And here we have an awesome Lesney dump truck. Pretty cool. Do you guys know that Lesney cars like these, they were all hand painted, hand assembled? This is an awesome thing to know because I saw a video on this and I go, wow. They had like people just sitting down and assembling the, well, they had like an assembly line just for Matchbox. Some were painting, some were putting details, some were putting it together. Awesome thing to know. And so you guys know some of the old Lesney Matchbox, the plastic shrinks or expands, and this is the way the tires look after so many years. It's a cool front loader, pretty cool. Some history, right? Have a little motorcycle by Matchbox. Pretty cool. I like that. And the famous Ferrari vs. Ford GT. Remember the movie, guys? This is Lesney. Look at that detail on that engine. Wow, this is cool. I like that decal right there. Paper decal. Pretty cool. I like this history right here. And probably this was probably one of the, whoever owned this was a unique kid that probably was customizing. See? One of the earliest customizers painting their Hot Wheel. Pretty cool. It was yellow, I guess. And they probably use, looks like house paint for the walls. They painted the lights. This one, I'll leave it like that. It only has history. I'm pretty sure a bunch of kids play with this, and whoever painted this had a unique idea to make their car a different color. So hopefully this person's still alive, and his childhood is right here. Contact me if that's yours. Awesome. This is a Monte Carlo. This is pretty cool. Actually, it has all the decals. The bottom looks chrome. The Fairmont. Oh wow. Ford Fairmont. My friend's daddy used to have all of these. The 4-door one. Here we have, ooh, like a snowplow maybe. Lesney. It's by Lesney. That's a snowplow, guys. The dump bed goes up. Look at that. Unique toys from back then. Now they're priceless collectibles now. Look at that. Very nice. Alright, here we have the Fire Chief. But for Lesney, not Hot Wheels. I know somebody got a Fire Chief today. He got a good deal. Someone from Chicago texted me and they bought some original red lines and they got a good deal. Good find, guy. Anyways, pretty cool. So I go to Rolls, guys. Check it out. Whoa, it still has speed. Even though it's that old. Here we have an awesome airport crash tender. Look at that. Pretty cool. 6 wheels. Awesome. Lesney, made in England. So I go to Rolls. Check it out. Well, it still has speed. How about this awesome steak bed by Lesney? Look at that beautiful paint job. Whoa, pretty bright. See, I go to Rolls. Not bad. Here we have an old vintage pin. The Mantis. This came with the red line, guys. Some people collect them. We have a British Petroleum tanker truck. The steering wheel's almost popping out. Oh, it's cab over. Cool. What's unique about these old Lesneys? They have some cool features. So I go to Rolls. Not bad. Did a U-turn. Ooh, this is pretty cool too. The windows still go up on this one. See right there? It's kind of broken. Some of you guys probably play with this, right? Made in Hong Kong or what? I think it's made in Hong Kong. 1982. Oh, it's Malaysia, actually. Pretty smooth. Alright, this one takes the cake. It's all pieces. So it's a young kid had fun and took it all apart. Look at that. Pretty cool. Still has some playware. Still has some miles on it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Unique stuff. Alright, let's go to the bottom tray. More goodies. Another Matchbox motorcycle with the rider on it. That's pretty cool. Ooh, another Monte Carlo. That's pretty cool. It says 38 on it. Pretty cool colors. Awesome. Another snowmobile. Pretty cool. It's missing the tracks. We'll half track on the other side. And this is cool. Carries a little house with a truck. Pretty sure you guys have seen that all over the world, maybe. A lot of people own these. And the famous truck, the BP tow truck. Good condition. I can smell the oldness on this. This is pretty cool. Mint condition. Pretty nice. And this cool big rig comes with a load. See right here? So you guys can play with this. Let's play. Alright. Here we have another, well, another old history car that got pretty beat up by a young kid, maybe. Some playware. Well, there's the pair, Mongoose and Sneak. Another motorcycle. This is by Lesney. Pretty cool. Another motorcycle by Destiny. Pretty old. And another red motorcycle by Destiny. Look at the wheels, look pretty cool. It's probably second run because of the rims. They're in good condition. I like that. Another fire truck. Denver again. Thought we had seen that earlier. Oh, there's two of them. The twin. There's the twins right there, guys. Alright. Let's see what else. Land Rover. It's pretty cool. In blue. Made in England. Land Rover Safari. With the hitch or a trailer. And now they're remaking this through Matchbox. Oh, this is a cool little motorcycle. Army color. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Look at the handlebars. Still in good working condition. Awesome piece. Wow. History there, guys. History. So it's in here. Come on, get out and play. Ooh, the London bus. Viscostatic. Good little tiny wheels. This is awesome, guys. History here. Made in Destiny. See how good it rolls. That was fast. Here we have another BP exploration vehicle. The wheels are there. They always come off on this one. Nice and clean. Pretty cool. Here we have another Jeep. That's pretty cool. It's missing one wheel. Maybe we can take it off of that. But see how I told you guys? Plastic does expand or gets damaged during time. Another Jeep. Missing the windshield. The frame of the windshield. And there you have extra wheels. Put on that one. Here's another of those rigs that carry, well, what is this supposed to be? Maybe steel beams, maybe? We'll pretend, right? Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for checking in. Like always, I thank you for following this channel, supporting this channel, and safety first, like always. Stay home. Use your gloves. Use your mask. And represent the Hot Wheel community. Anyways, thank you for checking in, and have a good evening, everyone. And enjoy with your family. Wash your hands. Keep healthy. And good luck, everyone. Adios.